Hi, I'm Craig Norlander, also known as Papa Bear from Papa Bear's Honey LLC. I'm here to talk about how to install package bees. Okay, so let's install some packages. All you have to do is bump them away from you. Doesn't matter how you grab them. As long as you're grabbing them and you're pushing it away from you, they'll come apart. This is if you have more than one package. For langstroth hives, you have them already set up, or top bars, you have them already set up, ready to go. Langstroth hives have a single story, empty box up on top. You take it, and it'll make it that easier to do it. The empty box has already been taken off. Knock down your bees. This one's got some comb build on the can of sugar water, so you have to push on each side, just kind of work it up. Push down, and it'll help work it up. Grab the queen, put the can of sugar water back on, shake the bees off. Check the queen, make sure she's still alive. With screen down and cork in, push her in between a couple frames. If you have some comb, it's great, especially if it's new comb. Once she gets out, she'll lay. I leave that cork in for about 4 days. It takes about 3 days for the bees to chew through that sugar plug. That gives them about a week. They're establishing them. Knock the bees out of your pants. They're crawling up your pant legs. Put the can of sugar water in the package on its side, put the lid on. Doesn't matter whether it's migratory lid or telescopic top like this. It works the same principle. Again, move the empty box off, knock the bees down. This can of sugar water comes out a lot easier. Didn't have the comb build on it. Take the queen out, shake the bees off. Check, make sure she's alive. There she is. Go ahead and install her between a couple frames, make sure it's tight, cork in, screen down so the bees can take care of her. Make sure it's tight. Put the empty box back on, the sugar water and the package in, put the top on, and you're good to go. This is by far the easiest way that I've ever found. I've done many different ways of installing a package, and this is by far the easiest. It's easy on bees, it's easy on you, it's easy on the neighbors. You don't have any bees flying around trying to figure out where they live. And again, here we'll go ahead and show it one more time. It's got a few bees on the outside. Those are called freebies. Go ahead and take the package off. Take the empty box off. Knock the bees down. Since this has some bees on the outside, just kind of knock them. Hopefully they'll go in there and not fly all over you. Take the can of sugar water off, the queen out, sugar water back in so the bees aren't flying out. Check, make sure she's alive and well. Put her in between some frames, hopefully new comb. Again, if you don't have any new comb or comb at all, foundation works just fine. They'll build on it. You want to feed them sugar water the whole time until they stop taking it, especially as a new hive. Go ahead and install sugar water in the package. It's really that easy. Put the lid back on, come back in about 4 days, replace that cork with a sugar plug. Now, if it's cold out, you're going to have to shake the bees, and the bees aren't happy with that. You're not happy with that. It's kind of a hard process, but you have to shake the bees out. If it's 50, 55 degrees or colder, the bees aren't going to come out, and you need to shake them around that queen. Otherwise, the queen's going to get cold and die. And so you have to shake the bees out. There's a little tabs over here. It makes it a little easier to possibly shake out. I'll show you a little bit more detail later on. You open that up, and again, shake the bees out. You can smack it with your hand. It's a little less hard on your hand if you use your hive tool. I'll figure that out here shortly. But again, it takes some time to knock all the bees out. Those bees like to cling on. You don't necessarily have to get all the bees out, but I like to. I don't like to see any bees left in the box. I want them all in the hive and getting going there. So you can see a few bees still hanging on in the corners. See them right there. And so it's like, come on, girls, get out and knock them around and say, okay, I'm through. Go ahead and put the top on, and you're done. Come back in about 4 days, replace that sugar plug. You have to kind of do the same thing on the top bar hive. It's pretty much the same principle. Knock the bees down. There's your queen. That's the silver tab. Pull out the can of sugar water. I've already found a partial comb. If you don't have partial comb, don't worry about it. But partial comb is nice. It gives you a place to put the queen. I put it about 3 combs in. There's the partial. I put the queen screen down. Cork still in. 4 days I'll replace that cork with a sugar plug. I just use a rubber band. Go ahead and put it around there. It makes it easy to know where the queen's at. Again, about 3 or 4 bars in. Put her in. If you don't have any comb, don't worry about it. They'll build on it. If you do have some comb but no partials, go ahead and use some comb around them. If you don't have anything to put the sugar can on, go ahead and grab some sticks. They have to be about 1/2 inch in diameter. Set the box down on its side. Set the sugar can of sugar water in. Put the bars in. They have to be empty, otherwise they won't fit. And it's really that easy. Put it all together. Put your lid back on, and walk away and come back in 4 days and replace that cork with a sugar plug. Now here's the tabs that I was talking about, right here and here. Again, you get underneath of that and just pop it over and do on one side. Sometimes they're a little tough. Then get the other side, and you should be able to just pop it right open. And there you go. That's what it looks like inside. It has it on both sides, so you can actually open it here or on this side. You got the tabs again. So again, pry it underneath, pop it over the top of that little tab, both sides, and you're good to go. One thing I forgot to mention is to remove that package within about 3 hours. You don't need to leave it longer than that. Bees should be out if it's above 55 degrees. Other than that, if it's too cold, again, you need to shake the bees into the package. Thank you. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you need to get a hold of me, please contact me at papabearshoney.com. Click on the Contact Us, and I'll be glad to respond to the email that it will send to me and give you any help that I can. Again, thank you, and have a great day.